Ever felt that pang of no-show anxiety after someone books a service with you? You're all set, time blocked, resources ready, and then silence. They don't show, leaving a gap in your schedule and a dent in your potential earnings. It's a frustrating reality for many service-based businesses, from solopreneurs to larger teams using scheduling platforms like Acuity Scheduling. This brings us to a crucial question. Can you actually take deposits on Acuity Scheduling? It's a query that pops up frequently for business owners seeking to protect their time and revenue, and for good reason. Imagine the peace of mind knowing that a portion of your service fee is secured up front, acting as a commitment from your clients and a buffer against those dreaded no-shows. Now, before we dive into the specifics of Acuity's capabilities, let's zoom out for a moment and understand why taking deposits is such a game changer. Think about it from both sides of the appointment. For you, the service provider, a deposit signifies a client's serious intention to proceed. It helps to filter out casual inquiries and less committed individuals, leading to a more reliable booking schedule. It also provides a degree of financial security, compensating you at least partially for your time and preparation even if the appointment is missed. On the client's side, paying a deposit can foster a sense of commitment and accountability. Having invested financially, they are more likely to prioritize the appointment and show up. It can also help them budget for the service, breaking down the total cost into smaller, more manageable payments. The ability to collect deposits isn't just a nice-to-have feature. It's often a fundamental aspect of running a sustainable and efficient service-based business. It reduces the financial impact of cancellations and no-shows, minimizes wasted time, and ultimately contributes to a healthier bottom line. So, back to our main question. Does Acuity Scheduling equip you with this essential tool? The short answer is a resounding yes. Acuity Scheduling offers robust features that allow you to seamlessly integrate deposit collection into your booking process. Let's explore exactly how you can set this up and what options are available. Acuity understands that businesses have different needs, so they provide flexibility in how you manage deposits. First and foremost, Acuity integrates with popular payment processors like Stripe, Square, and PayPal. These integrations are the backbone of collecting payments online, including deposits. You'll need to have your Acuity account connected to one of these processors to enable deposit functionality. The setup process is generally straightforward, involving linking your processor account within your Acuity settings. Once your payment processor is connected, you can configure deposit requirements for different appointment types. This is where Acuity's flexibility shines. You might want to require a 50% deposit for a lengthy initial consultation, but no deposit for a quick follow-up appointment. Acuity allows you to customize these settings on a per-appointment type basis. Within the settings for each appointment type, you'll typically find options to require a fixed dollar amount as a deposit. This is useful when you want a standard, non-percentage-based deposit for a particular service. For example, you might require a $50 deposit for all new client bookings. Require a percentage of the total service fee as a deposit. This is ideal for services with varying prices, ensuring the deposit amount scales accordingly. For instance, you could set a 25% deposit on all your hourly services. Choose whether the deposit is optional or required. In some cases, you might want to offer clients the choice to pay a deposit. However, for no-show protection, making it a requirement is generally the more effective strategy. Customize the messaging related to the deposit. You can often tailor the text that clients see during the booking process regarding the deposit, ensuring clarity and transparency. Beyond setting up the deposit requirements, Acuity also handles the payment process smoothly for your clients. When someone books an appointment that requires a deposit, they will be prompted to pay it during the scheduling process through your integrated payment processor. This ensures that the appointment is only confirmed once the deposit is successfully processed. Acuity also provides you with tools to manage these deposits. You can typically view the deposit status of each appointment within your Acuity dashboard. When the appointment is completed, you can then process the remaining balance through Acuity, again leveraging your connected payment processor. Furthermore, Acuity often offers options for handling cancellations and refunds related to deposits. You can usually set policies regarding deposit refunds for cancellations made within a specific time frame. This helps to establish clear expectations with your clients and manage potential disputes. It's important to note that the exact features and settings related to deposits might vary slightly depending on your Acuity subscription plan. Some advanced features might be exclusive to higher-tier plans. Therefore, it's always a good idea to review your specific plan details to understand the full scope of deposit functionalities available to you. To make the most of Acuity's deposit features, consider these best practices. Clearly communicate your deposit policy to clients. Make sure your cancellation and deposit policies are easily accessible on your website, booking page, and in confirmation emails. Transparency is key to managing client expectations and avoiding misunderstandings. Set deposit amounts that are fair and reasonable. While you want to protect your business, ensure the deposit amount isn't so high that it deters potential clients. Consider the average cost of your services and what feels like a reasonable commitment. Test your deposit setup thoroughly. Before going live, make a test booking yourself to ensure the deposit process works correctly and the messaging is clear. Utilize Acuity's reporting features to track deposit payments. Regularly review your payment information to ensure everything is being processed as expected. By effectively leveraging Acuity Scheduling's deposit features, you can significantly reduce the risk of no-shows, improve your cash flow, and create a more reliable booking schedule for your business. It's a powerful tool that empowers you to take control of your time and earnings. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.